Ibara amanyire Rogers meya elect Masindi municipality awo myaka 5 kandi kyalero ndesere nzire kuteeka timu yange namuno munde yanserulira akaruru kubazaho mulingo orugendo rwabaire ekikuru muno ekikonkozesa kakinu kenkozere kiri nyenda kwempowering abaana bato kandi nkwenda ensi yona ekimanye aba babaire mu karuru kange namuno abampaire Victory ababaine bankolera hagati aloho Nakamya Aisha ali female youth councillor wakarabano opposed kyonka bayina akora kapie political assistant wange kandi at the same time treasurer wa campaign yange na craftinga buli kimu kyona ikinya kozeseize kebikwato nebindi campaign. Then far left amweta Charity atuhura abaina akora kapihara wange kandi nawe nakwata public image nebindi byona bikwata mu karuru. So ngondeze kubarabya hano kubahabuza Janeke yabaire ngo twakwata gaine na lituli kansabe babaramukyo
mwasiga mutainywena kamukama wange kwa kagambire amabara Nakamya Aisha abwa hatini nyo female youth councillor Masindi municipality elect alinzire kusoyaringa mujane ya campaign mbaye ninkoranka political assistant we and at the same time treasurer. Bete kinja gamba kirinti this journey started 2 years ago kandi yamazima gali nti at first nkaba ningiroranka leisure though I knew the candidate was strategic kandi nkamanya ngo ali focused ekikara kukienda, but me as a person being a first time in politics and at the same time I had no experience in active politics in terms of being a PA. Yes, I did, but again kukamanyire ngo background egyo nkakora assessment nyonko muntu at first mazire kurorangu we amboinemo omuramu wangu kuso umukolera nka political assistant we, so nanyonya kora SWOT analysis yange ko muntu na strengths zange, weaknesses zange, opportunities. So in that assessment realizing anti my strength and opportunities is overweighing the weakness. Nagamba I have to go for this. Though it was not easy because at first I looked at my age and having done assessment of abaizire ni baba wa politicians no wesangango at most bona bakozesa abantu abaine experience akakoleraho akaba political assistant omuntu ondi bunda akabaho mu politics ya mara ya birugamu, but me being a first timer at first I thought it would be a challenge. So kimso gamba nti I went for the journey when I'm really focused and determined. Since I realized that I was a first timer, nagamba now this is a challenge to me as an individual. Since I've done an assessment in Arangu, the greatest side nkusobora kurabaho. So nkomuntu what I had at the back of my mind first of all as like I'm not supposed to as disappoint my candidate. And again nanyonya ramkisaningu in case he fails abantu bajja kuntaginga nkomuntu mbu cause akaforwardingaki abana abato. So it was a challenge to me na getting a determination nagamba I have to do this. You know, I was determined but still I had trust in God because omanyire buli kintu kyona nyeki yange Ruhanga muteka first. So I went in this journey nkomuntu, though I had a background of someone who has been in the community, not politically but I've been an activist. So nakozesa orukujukujo orungumbaire mu community ninkora advocacy ni manya ebizibu ebikukwata abantu abahansi kandi namanya ngwini active politics at most omuntu wa hansi arura candidate onu nyowe nko muntu ngya mufuna honta bundi in case I trust this candidate with my vote, how will I tap, what can I tap from him? So nyonko muntu nkaija in this campaign manyire kiki omuntu wa hansi kyakwenda in that even in our meetings mkama wange ataga opportunities like you come out with strategies. What can we do? How do we go as in on this and this? Nyonko muntu, I would make a flashback. I'm community in Baira Mnikora advocacy. Indra now, I've been in the community. What do the community expect of a politician? Okubanku kagambia Baira side ni tutaginga mune wa politicians omanyirete to looking at the loopholes. So nkaija in this journey loopholes politicians nizimanya. So I was there to bridge. Nkaija manyire kimu I'll have to bridge with the experience I had. Nikyo kurangu komuntu. The first thing I think we did 2 years ago, it was to look for a catchy song, political song. I think even the community can bear witness. Okozerege evaluation of all political songs, starting from the LOCs up to the president. I'm sure akazina mkama wange bundi mayor elect niko kabere the best. It didn't come from blue, but we looked at strategies which can be catchy. Kukamanyire nti ekyo kionka kikamu promoting akazina ako twakataho running over radio stations karubata akazina kamubanza kumanywa kila wenko muntu, meaning that even in the community abantu bayaninga gabyaninga. I would love to see this person who is having this nice song. Niwesangangu demand ya community to my candidate was high. Baitu nitulimitingibwango bokuba iseka utakatu gazeti ingire kutandika kurubata tuwabaho tutio, but he would tap opportunities like being on media. Nkomuntu kokamanyire media can either destroy you or promote you, but for him as an individual testify, media has really promoted him across. And basically to TikTok, radio stations around abokuba, we realize that most of the voters wundi community yeti ya Masindi abakira media platform gibakose radio stations. Nikyo kura kazi nako tukaka positioning on all radio stations karaninga. Indeed it did wonders. Nka abantu mu community nko bakuso testifying. We not only focused on that, we came up with the strategies. Nko kamanyire as a political assistant, though I was there for him, but I could not do everything across. My colleague, like the way our boss told you, she's Charity and she works with BBS. Now she was among the people who really did a great job as a PR. Akaba positioned in a way that anything she would hear about the candidate, she would first evaluate. Na arora hawe ingire kirinka kandi kintu kikusokututera tikikusokututera. So she was there to stand as in to speak on behalf of our team. Yakora a great job as actually nyo kaba ni mweta information hub during our campaign. Okuba niwe ya delivering agano kuleta. At some point I give Charity credit okuba mulimo yakoze kagwa amani, and there are a lot of colleagues of ours habokuba gali mazima as team mulindwa with the media tubaire tuti, because we realize that media can either destroy us or promote us. But what I can testify, mediate katimu mulindwa etu promotingire. Oja kusanga ngu hatimu ya media bwire bunu tuinao Charity wenka okubani wabere PR, but we still had a lot of media backup abatalihan, but they are there. And to my candidate, actually this is a prayer that this journey shouldn't stop here, right? Arabiro hali mu office, but me I pray this relationship with media egende maiso nikungu ne birungi byorokoleira abantu media soleko bicoveringa niko bisoboleko raki kutu building okuba as a political assistant nyoko muntu, though I've been your PA, but I'm there to build my political career, because me too I would love to see you at another level, because I'm also striving towards some level. So obokore kintu kitali the expectation of the community, oja kusanga na nyo it will hit me hard, because I was there as a PA, and at the same time bajagama na nyonki na mo mkono since I'm on the team. So that's my prayer. But what I'll say,
talking about media, what Charity, in your assessment iwe genda kutwara umulimo ogwo kwetika ujunanizi bobo bokuba media hub watimu mulindwa ukayihiranka obumanzi kandi what is the experience?
Amabara banyita Charity Atura bwemba radio nkoza Charity Atura mujukuru kamanyiro mboro bwemba rubajiba field mukamu wange mba Charity Atura kuonka ndi PR abo kwati nkusa kutiranizo mulimo kandi bantu asatwala kuba ndi biased nyewe kuchita na Rogers amanyire, it was like 2 years back. Abukwana muhuraga wetu ntamumanyire. By the time we changed from FDC to NRM, nibona kengere mbuna wali yabukakaru kawire kali ntakabe muno. So I went for an interview somewhere na mwitirana yanyumira nke bitekerezo yanka yabingambire na ikano kumuherezaho exercise kyo kumuteka programs ekiyabayingira idea yagibayinga. So we started meeting ni muherezaga ideas on how to speak wiki. By the way, it has not been easy for branding candidate wange kumwiki na halal. I'm sorry to say that. Abakuwa this is the person ayali tu kaumu ali mchulezi mune kihingura ino takusa muya ikigama. I remember even the first interview inakozere kampambiliza kuboosting iraka times 10, but nagenaga ni mugambo kubaza mpora muno n'abantu tibakuhura bikina yongeraho by that. So nalitwaikire campaigns, he got a song ya campaign tataka promoting ekizina kandi kumfora PR. It was not easy kuba bamawule bakaba bayingi, and given my age ntabe muntu mukuru bulikimu kabaninki kenga kwa chonkange nawe na kiyambo inemu yagambo mwana kusobora akora kubanka nyo muntu nyemanyire am confident enough kandi ntamujarukya nta friendly muno. So omulimo gukansana busana abokuba am one of the people, one of the journalists Masindi muno, at least abaza na buli munyamahure. So that was a credit for me kandi nobuya kingambiro denka banindura ninkisobora nko muntu nkanyekiriza mumbo nkisobora. So byangambira I want you to be my peer at first nkabaza natina kyonkata kusaba mugamba mbuti nire nyina kwekaza nyagamba bitu ndabisoro kankata kabaga mu campaign yo ne serious mu active politics ya muntu mbobana alimbairo PA oba agent atalo kitu kina kinalimbaire kya politician we na mkaruru. So I thank him for giving me an opportunity of at least now I'm exposed babantu bakusaba kula charita turabe ngamba charita tura BBS no matter balize BBS nibazana abantu bandi bagamba PR wa Rogers. So you simbukina naliki nteira rulengo ronda ava match nyowente simbe. I had my own reasons to why, but colleague wangu na kesima akatwakoraga kandi we yaraba, but it does not mean nimbo nkabanta kwenda bambu bakabata kunyendeza, but tena tukata kusagenda mkaruru. So nyewe omulimo gwenkozero gwa mani gubaire gokora nti kandi twange kisani kyasigarawo abokuba muba mkaruru binge bibaho muntu asa gambe kigambe kyotakunira mbu niwo kikozere na yenda kwolekemba akumanya nokusinga iwe mukamu we kinte kiba kubazawo bigambo bibaire mu bingi, but at least we would fight kule bigambo byo tibyaika muntu wa hanso tukulwanirira abokuba omuntu asa kwaze kigambo nikidamejinga ibali ya candidate kandi kukihayo nikiba hard. Nkwenda kusima media fraternity ya Masindi na Hoima including Alan wa NBS naiwe kyomuhendo mwebale muno abokuba you have really done a great job. Media ya Masindi na Halali Radio Kings, BBS hamu na Radio 7 including the freelancers na Halali NTV na Halali Gundi, New Vision Yosa Mguchwaki, Ismail Bategeka na bandi. They have really done that job. If I can mention a few of the presenters, Sausa King, Ronnie Spice, Eddie, then BBS, I thank Washington, Radio 7, I thank Majaju, and among others. Nabantu sobere kwatula mabara mwebale muno. Abokuba kino mbaita kusobora kikola nyenka ova macho sakubano itaga candidate, and I'm even sure nabantu watu esimbe nabo babaina ba PRs, but they were not active as ours. Mboba ino ikalo muntu na no mugamba nkwenda nkolere kino na kino ali wa mahure na kugamba habuoha abwa Rogers mbwe. So nikiangu hambo barona obaino tunda muntu reda yeye tunzire ira. So kyo nikitwanguhira muno kandi nakazina kakongereza mbe. What we did first was kuteka kazina kano on all the radio stations around. Kandi abantu bakatangira. Nka Aisha nkagambire mbakazina kakaba kamwa on the best campaign songs ezitwali nazo mu Masindi. I think it was even the leading in Masindi. So ekizina kikatubanza omubichwe kana twali takayikire nte twagenda gambe kwetwala yo kweyole kambu nite, but already abantu bamanyire omuntu bagota kamusabira karo. Like I remember in primaries tagenda omubichwe kabindi kusaba karo, but people indeed voted nibagamba nyokomera bwakazina just karungi. So I'm even advising other people abakutekaniza kwesimba, please be strategic. Manifesto banayo baito bene kinte kikutunda first before you reach to the people. Abamawule bamasindi, another thing ikenkwenda abasima, they were cooperative kandi indeed ibonka abantu babetenda buzibona. My humble request to my candidate is tuboina ba politician bangi nibaija mukaruru nibakasinga babaire in good terms na bamahure. but at the end of the term no yesanga bali in bad terms kandi wamawule ni wakuyimukya kana kyana akunaga. It is very very easy for omunyamahule bwire bunu kwa munywani wawo but ekisanja kitakaho eri yakurugireho ire. It depends on the way you treat them. So mba nisabe nyira bye bayiroho tuseera karolo niye karoho kandi ndishuwa bana bamahule they have no problem with you so far. Just it is a matter of keeping them the relationship bayiroho tuhangale nayo abokuba at times tikiba kirungi owamahule kuruga yakakupraising and at the same time akakiora akakusisa.
Talking about challenges campaign nebindi bene bibairemu ekikuru ekimbaye ninyenda kwihayo kiri inywena your young people kuba bana you have so much challenges. Challenges ziri mu real life challenges ezanyu kanyuka abantu kugayibwa kuimiba opportunity nebindi habwa manto yekinte kikote ekyo kiroho inywe. How did you manage to overcome that, especially hati mukama Ruhanga kandi nanywe akabakora ko mwena muri bantu bagufu byone biba challenges?
Was that necessary?
Okay.
It is necessary, it is nature.
True.
How did you overcome that? Kuhikira mukoti ziri nti nyondi pie ntati nyondi political assistant kandi mcommandinga akwanya baruraga mfieldom ni mcommandinga indeed took charge.
Galinti challenges zikaba munyingi. Also I'll speak on my behalf. I for one nyijukantukiyatani kile campaigns zinu primaries nyina hali nyabandize bityo kabito abandize gyam. I would introduce myself as Nakamya Aisha, political assistant wa Rogers Amanyiri. But omanyire facial expressions mu congregation waraga abantu face ni besikam ngira it's on record omanyire culture enengere ekoraki etugruminga now zero to Masindi culture ya Masindi abantu bali groom dingu political assistant aina kuba mukoto muraira bundi omuntu akozera in experience but as an individual buli nyaka kibazaga nyowe nkarora facial expressions za abantu. By the way, it would morale boost, meaning about this is what I expected. Now, I would get determination in commune to challenge them. Regardless of my size and my age, I can do better. So, from that side, wasangagangu hali tukumalira engagement. Just the words I would only speak. The agenda would only deliver. Omuntu yarugaho gali contented in Buria. She's a political assistant regardless of her size and regardless of her age. So nko muntu nyonya kiete kama was determined ngu wherever would go manyiro ko nigo gubandeze gyayo nagenda gani expecting kubanza gayibwa. But trust me, wherever I would reach hali twayikiraga kurugira bulo mwene bagayikirize mbuya. She's a what, a political assistant. So hali pikire kumara campaigns just primaries bulo mwayikirize nibambaza across everyone would say Mayor Rogers aina kana kaisikika to bakanyoma msize kati ito. But when I would stand to deliberate even obakuba kukamanyire political assistant or how preamble I would give preamble buli muntu yarugaga yekiriza senke kyonyo kitana affecting because I determined. So determination ingira niyo yanyambire munonko omuntu because I determined kandi manyire ngu I have to achieve. I was focused to a goal yabaire ku delivering a flag na karurwa da fine.
How did you overcome the challenges of height expectation on you nebinde?
Nyowe nkanyo Charity nkasanga obuzibu bwingi but abantu bakaika bayikiriza abo kuba nyowe nkabanda level yo kuragira even my managers which was not easy. Kuragira manager wao kandi na akupulira it is not easy. Nkaika level nindagira PD wange kyonka kana taina kiyokora kwa nyonya baga mukozi we hamuli mogwe. Then naba hansi yange arubajirwa campaigns. It was not easy. Muntu yakagana agamba bwako gwatatereire nyoke nyini akunda bya mama iswe. Akunda abakina antumira iwe. Mugamba nterere but at times no bamuterera gonu na bagamba you talk to Charity. So iwenka muntu nawe akageza kuteka all that line mbu kintu endaki kwasa Charity kinakubaki ya Charity. Kila kili kya Aisha ni clininga with Aisha it is her. Yakiraga mpaka na abagarura halitu. So kama tunagani bakimanyira gambu indeed I'm the PR including my fellow journalists abandi baraga bali ba amani agamba me am a class above that kunsindikira PR nkwenda uwe nyina nterere but binageze ni nkibamanyiza mba ninyowaalo hotyo banyere bagamba bagira rufumo rugamba ebe banagaye jombwire bwenjura niyo bajukombwire bwenjara so bakiragani bagaruka ali nyo and at times kwikiriza muna kyo kintu kikuru mbwekagalo muntu nolya kimala rulengo rwa haiguru nayo no mutina mugamba kumuragira betu taina kiyokoro na muragira kwa nayo you have any order from your boss so no wamuragira gakanga yekagangira na kyana yijukana ga kankiyole nkole abo kuba indeed msajja kaba ali mulungi no byamuteraga kamugamba Rogers osata kunsindikiro no nagamba kwa ogo ni waina kuba na kologo muli so bantu bagandi bakimanyira mute tunakole mirimemo and I remember one time arubajirwa Aishonu abaina commanding abantu abakuru who were the agents and even the coordinators bemiruke but divisions zimo but you find omuntu mukuru no brando mningo gora muragiramu but nabakaika bakima balikano kuterera game yawo nyini baterera itu mbukini na kinu kiki otyo ngira bakagenda bakikiriza mutima gwabo mbu you have nothing to do apart from coordinating anabana kyonka it was not easy at first kwemera lokagamba omuntu ninyo PR wa Rogers amanyiri given the size and height bakulaga kimu oli mutito otakusa naye kyonka bakagenda nibayikiriza abo ebigambe bitwabazagane enkolagana itwali ntubole kambe kusa kuba kandi kusa kuhangala namna bamawula bagiramu okugaye ate bandu bagani bagacha bite no kuliro habikie and I even have abakuru abakunsingira kimo bukuru bwamugambage kintu muni kwenda story ne line in this angle narura okwisana ko kumujoga but utagenza ni kiri sustainable mbu ninyowalo ninyalo several talo muntu ndi wena akikora bagena nibakiza so would even call someone mugamba ni kwetaga sazi tinaikiriza abuko bakabakimanyirire ninyowalo kandi nkusobora bayika bakimanyira mbo nkusobora so that was okay but given some time tubandize kurwane enyuma
talking about by the time halitu agenzire kukora ekyo on my side kaba riski ya amani kwesiga abana bato kuraninga campaign entirely kumuntu inywe kabantu mukakitekerezaho nti akaruka kasangire katuteire nti kijja kubaho part and partial of record hali inyabo kuba face ya timu mulindwa niitwa balihana basatu na muno itwa abasatu abo ensonga nti buli yahabuzaga kintu kiona it used to run through the hub of the three of us mkafunaho kwekanga during the campaign nti tuhandiremwa over your factors zabahaga amani abo ensonga nyingi
nyanja kugamba nti ekyo habwize nsangirege nyina link highlighting iro in the start nkogambirege despite of our sizes nkakirora namanya nti kintu kione kikubaho more so on the negative side it will come back to us nkutukakimanyire ngu community oba population ya Masindi not only Masindi but across ekintu kiba kibi abakehara babayingi but kiba kirungi abantu bayingi betaginga on success so nyowe nkaija nka political assistant ndi determined by the way ne size yange ngisimira ruhanga bwensonga it gave me backup kikampa manto kiampa strength na determination kurorangu I have to achieve a goal yabaireki ekikareki akubanko omuntu nkagambira after having done an assessment kakirealize ngangu in actually historically kikakitakaba Masindi size zino zaitu zino beminye to kuraninga political campaign yomuntu so by the way nyoki kampamani nyagamba now here it is I have to agree but determination mattered narorangu nyonko muntu nyina kutayo bagamba buchweka ihembe kora buchweka ihembe kuchwa recordeni akuba okugaya kukabaho kwingi ntukyatandikire so kwihaho kugayoko kukaba determination yaitu kurora bikibi tukora but again naye nka honorable mkama waitu nkusima cause naiwe gali mazima environment ukagitu creatingira in a way that halebyo byona byabaire byakuba indi bituhitinga there is a way you would redirect in a way that ngo muntu no kwakuba naenda kuba bayingi nyumanyire nkaba platforms nyingi abandi ni ba criticizinga abandi ni boleka mbu they are not satisfied of the team ekuraninga campaigns baituwe yaboleka gangu aina omuramwa gwabwene mbana abatobano kandi nyonki kusimira habo kuba you brought youths on board abakira tibakirura abeminye tobayingi bali yoko they have capacity and abilities but they are failing to tap they are failing to get opportunities okuba abantu abakuru tibakoraki tibakubarora musa nyekyo nkikusimira so ekinkwenda kugamba ngu ebyo byona nyonko muntu bikambamu betu kiyampa amani. So I would not I would not relax ninyenda kuihayo muramogo ngugurugeyo kusobora kuiha ekyo ekyakuba nikikora kintu kya affecting anketi
challenge
nyowe nka Charity ati first nkabanza nati nabokuba kandi twange mulingo guyabazaga nayo lekali muchulezi kandi nala kujja kunendera bagenda kwesimba nabo bali nibabaliza iguru ati nindira kandi twange kandi ali muchulezi muno but imani kakagana nigangaruka mnali atankiye kumwetaga mu talk shows no buli weekend ali busy ngatangagamba hano busamu emutogo badasa gutale ebijuma meaning yatankiye kumurora mu muramwa given some time yatanka kujaga radio talk shows on different radios na abazaga and bataka kurora ideas ziri nongi but one day remember kaba production in Nsara eira kalye ndi editinga so omuntu amyeje yangamba okwe editinga ohogo yamunga nko editinga amanyiro jaza ja kwesimba bwa meya na kyejambe buli na ndi mutogo yangamba never forget that word yangamba dero gwata kubaza mporo nalya karurogo I laughed at him yamugamba najja kulya abantu benda abantu bachulezi but no lya kimumba kubaza ateka ine muno kandi kisaye kyakujja muko kugamba kisaye kye mupira kiruma bakusindikangana ati kandi we akwenda kazana kapira kampora kateka ine atalini hakuija kandi amanyire anala kujja manyire aliyo muro so kikampambiriza muno mojogo byangambire kigambe kikampambiriza muno kani mugambaga nayo kubaza muno I mean okubaza mpora yongera ogamani bazanka nkaina mani so kyanyambo te but all byagambire na isana nka kugaya nyagamba meaning nkyali ikola kikusoboka kuteka muntu na mutindo guba kwetaga era nka kikolera yatenga kujaga mu talk shows nataka muchuleza nkukusima bale muno kuba muntu akwata bwangu kandi akwikiriza mu bana batonka itabo kwa it is not easy muntu hamyaka yao itwe nka myaka yetu kukuragire kintu kakikola it is not easy kyonko baire muulize no turabire mu hardships zo kutugaya size biki ebizibu bibamu kugaya kubamu but at least okemerera rubagirwa itu watole kambu tukusobora abo kwa bagambage kintu no ikano gamba cyo banda kimugamba anta kunsingo bukuru but akateka environment ekole kambu ali free muno naitwe you can say whatever you want given kikusa kuba nikimurabi yaho mu campaign yayi nkukusima muno bale kwa muntu akuliriza kandi akugabira opportunity abana batonka ito nyoka antaka baga PR wo muntu wena kandi kantakiyo seremba can even be webali
talking about campaigns bamu ebirungi ne bibi mbirungi sazin tujja kubaza nti timu mulindo kasinga nebindi ebyo nebikwijja baitu ombibi ebikira kuba mu campaign nibo aba kusiganga nenziro ebintu byokugaya kusiga mostly challenge yokusiga enziro abukuba nevertheless lera team field ya baire ya PR ali medieri kanyowe bakambaza ho bingi na muno ebindi byokunihira myaka yanga na nebiri nebyenkoze otakunihira omuntu akusaki kugamba waitu na akikweta ati ebyo byange nkabya bizovinga ko muntu kandi na nyomba ganyira bona bakabaliza ebyo byona that is the game but ati inywe katimu mulindwa especially mutwe gwa timu mulindwa na inyo of course in campaign aina kuba hale ebintu baba balizo kandi ebindi byabasasi kandi ebindi fundi tumukaganyiragana kuika hati challenge egyo yokutamu field really that toxic mu environment yokusiga ebisa how did you handle it akwanka frankly nkarura mu campaign ono na chura nkarura mu campaign na ino chura ale ebikubihize nebindi but time egyo challenge egyo ya toxic nature of environment ya campaign kabantu how did you handle it
hati
atimbire wa campaign sange genki balizoho mbu omuntu akusaba kubaza one kintu ekyotakozere kandi naenda kikakasembu ko kikozere mba kikakasizamu aruma bamanyira mazima aruma nabamanyire mbu ekintu ekyotokusaba kikola. I remember one time bane bigambe bakubalizo abandi ba opponents nibenda no kuteka mu sente bamahore bakole story but
ebyange nkwenda iwe byawe
ebyange kanyowe
ebyange nyoka abizovinga kandi nkabaganyira iyo ko muntu ebibuhulire ni bakubazaho ko muntu abwa necha ntoli ku weekend nga nyowe rundi team lindwa na kusiba hekini. How did you
challenges zikabamu ziri ono a personal level oli na kusale kigambo naye kenyine kyotamanyire, but what I would do nyowe tinta muntu agumyaga kunganiza muntu bwiro I would just keep quiet abo kuba even that time twabagana busy muntu nakugambe kigambo naye kenyino yekanga no gamba okirenka kyonka onayolekeza kimanya kanda kinaona obujulizi. In media we deal with the relevant information nokutunga source agumizibwe. If you're to give me a story so nyo nabasabagani bagamba do you have proof of what you're talking about mbutinyi nayo, then that is allegation, that is an allegation. If you don't have proof of something it becomes an allegation. So nyo we nabichuliraho gambe baitu yote bisakura mukandi bikaba bingi muno muntu nakano kuta in your personal life abo candidate owokolera. It was very very disturbing oyiroho okabatenda kiyokora oli yakikoraga kulabiyaho we burundo okunafuya niko rundi owamani niko berundo bihirwe baitu byana tukabira bamututyo nkanyo omuntu binge byambihize bentakusana okuteka in media kyonka nkamanyekie kwena nasigala ndi focus abo kwasinga nali ngendera bigambye abantu bibakubaza nkabantu bikaba nibigia kumpugura tikantandika kulwane entaro ni kimpereza nikibahereza mwanya gukumara ba opponents baitu kutusinga kyonka kagamba butukyora mu ntaro no kwenda kuseruliriza kandi atinye kyo kanta kikozere okakiranka. It was going to take time kandi bali batungaga no bwire bokutaha into our team ekiandiwe nikitwetezano no kutasinga karukana
naite ndi kuronga anyo challenges nko muntu gali mazima zikabamu but nko kamanyire ngo bagambe experience is the best teacher. The more you experience something the more you learn on how to maneuver it. So oja kwesanga ngo is it necessary to highlight some of the challenges? So oja kwesanga nyowe nko muntu yes by the way nyongira ekintu ekimbunka baze kintu when I spill something out just nerve forgiven nyowe bona abagerezo hoku compressing to the wall nyowe nankabaganyira and I'm at peace. Abwensonga nti gali mazima me being a youth her position your political assistant and more so kuba nti ndi mwana muisiki gali mazima challenges nkazifuna nyingi oja kwesanga ngu kande zimu I don't blame individuals because it's societal setup nti society kakikwata ngu abakazi bona bagena into politics either bani begaba oba baba malaya something related to that which again is kibatamayengu it comes back to an individual because omuntu boboli focused trust me okolere kikuleseri. Me as a political assistant I knew what I was as in kinyabere ndoho bunde kinyabere ni ndaninga so ja kwesanga ngo bantu bengi bakambaza bintu bingi kyonka nyomba ganyire gali mazima kandi kabaganyire wesanga go muntu na kutekaho na kutekaho ekintu nkamugenzi wangu chate kwa kagambire now me as an individual kuba mwana muisiki at my age ngabapi abantu bagambaga abakira amusembeize either there is a relationship between them which was not right but nyonko muntu ebitampugule cause like I said experience was the best teacher. At first nkabihura nko muntu obongo ni buflashingaga ngamba how do I maneuver this but with the time namanya baja kwikabayikirize ngu ekitu teraniza it's purely business and which was political nti trahimbeki nkokakura bwire buna abantu bali mu finals za premier nka abantu bigambo bingi bikubalizibwa baitu iwe bwoboli focus okagambe kikopo nikiye kyatina itwe nkati mulindwe kikopo kikabe kikaroke bwa meya ebyo byona nyonya bigino waringaga cause I had a focus nkandi focused ningamba whatever they say oba creating our relationships in the camp oba batsigire bisabita me am focused na manyangu by the end of the journey which is the seat obwire bune gaina galinzire kusoyaringa ebigambo bijakoraki bijakuwa and I'm conscious of now na babibazaga bwire bunti tibakyabibaza reason being urugendo nkarutura ani nkarutura mburungi ngu the common goal was achieved so me I had to ignore na manyambo I have to absorb this and ekintu kinyabandize kwega nyagamba whichever word kindahura I'll not defend kuleka no sigara na perception yawe nkogina bokuba noenda kuongera ono yongera hebyawe regardless me I have a focus nkabanyino muramwa nigo narubatirahoga. I had no time kuija one media nkatani kagamba kinuti nkozere. No, there was no need for that cause nyo murama kunyarubatirahoga bunde goal ginyabe nyenda ku achievinga. I achieved it and I give credit to myself regardless of my age.
Talking about being the face ya timu Mulindwa, hati abantu bakatuha obururu nyamwingi.
True.
Kanda expectation nyingi katimu Mulindwa.
True.
Kandi indeed busaye amount yone yokusora kusasulira obwire n'obururu batuhaire apart from kora abantu ebibakutunihira mukanda ebibatekereza. Now inye as individuals akwa ene interview baire yanyu.
True.
What is your way forward iwe mukugarulira abantu kiki kyokunihira your next step is abukuba nobwakuba yotoli niwe ali mu office but at least oina listening ear ya hatimeya ntekyo tukijja kurugaho kandi kijja kusigaraho kiki kyokusora kweyama nti nkusora galira abantu especially na muno ebyo bimwabazaga inywe ababiri mukuseera akaruru kombeka municipality nokusemeza municipality.
Nkwenda kutunula mu kamera nengumya abantu ba Masindi municipality mbu nkambaye ninturukia road map egenda kujja mu campaign ngamba biro bitatu kuba kichweka kiti kiro kitu kuba kichweka kiti mbu indidi nikyo kigenda kusigarawo but kijja kwa mu ango ya service delivery mbu tubaye ntujja mu maiso ganyu runda ama radio ni muhurani turanga Rogers amanyira agenda kwa mukichweka kiti kiro kino indidi mba promisinga no agenda mu office nikyo kora kubajukia musangege musabire nkolagana yaba mahure sigalo mbu buli kimwe kitugenda akora tugenda kikolera mu nkukutu kigenda kusigara kiri mu kamera oba launching rugudo oba commissioning reki indidi mujaga kimanya ombichweka nalita atakayikire in case baraba go inquiry yona oba mutera radio ali mu program oba ki just count imbu ebintu bimukwetaga jaga kubana bitugambira kandi tubyahura for future use. Aba politician bengi bejani basaba karuru but when it comes to service delivery niwe wabundi nosanga kozere bintu bingi in the dark abantu batabimaye kandi indidi akozere kyonka nkwetaga abamanyi sambu buli kintu kyagenda kubana akora candidate wangu omwakomere mwamweze kikaruke bwa meya agenda kusigala na abamanyisa buli kintu kyagiye akora mwaso antekaniza za government oba low opportunity yone kusobola kuyamba omuntu wa hansi ajaga kubana arabya hebirango. That is my turn in my taking kanyowe PR abokwati nkusagamba agenda mukansomba mbatereyo kino kwa mulimo gwange guli gwo kubamanyisa kandi mbagambira bamawule bajja kusigana bamanyisa atali radio emu yonka runda atali gundi media house emu yonka radio zona mujaga kurani ziranga the same thing bakuba izire nko mukichweka kya katugambe kihande alonchingire kintu we shall indeed make sure radio isatu zona ziroho izikusaba sobore ekibayirohoga akiri tojja kusanga radio emu nebaza kintu ekyo kiyonka ojja kusanga buli radio ina ango yaye but still talking about the same thing. Nkwongera abayijukia nti ekisanja kirike emyaka 5 kandi emyaka 5 teri nyingi ebintu ebitayiragire biri bingi muno abwiro butwina kyonka byona bijja kuba nibikolebwa mubeno kuguma mugumisize just mulinde kurahira okurahira kurawa we promise each and everything will be done but in camera nkatwika into bibekolera mu camera tubentujja mu campaign tubasaba buru twina TikTok twina simu za TikTok ntukolaki noleki mumbo muntu akwetaga buli kimu kibe mu camera niko kigenda kusigara buli kitu kya kikolera mu camera and enkujuka twantukora campaign rallies zaitu there is where he spoke na gamba akwetaga atunge simu egenda kubane kwataga coverage ya councils where baby bakwa bahanire mu council inkayo omuntu wansa kuba ina simu okusobola genda yo karora bakozege resolution ki bagaye bagiye akora rugudo ki irwaro ke bagenda kutandikira mu municipality rundi kiki bagenda kubani bakorani bahondezao mujaga kwa nanye ni mu birora amasimu ganyu orundi ni mu bihulira ama radio. I promise that.
Ebyo bitwayamire ko muntu buli omu no kuba nti ekikaro ni nyaki na ko muntu betu nayo by the face ya Mulinda and more so iwo already na kansala mukisanja nikyo kimu okweyama ki mu bantu akwankunihira lebyo yabazaga ko muntu rundi hali indi na hali intali kyonka abweke kyobalize abasibensa abantu okwo nibesiga kandi batu obururu kandi maliko bakatu obururu nyamwingi
Awe bale muno meya nja kutandika ningamba nti obunkuba ninyijuka at least I have a copy of your manifesto and bwenkuba ni referring to your manifesto it's purely service delivery. So abantu hono kuhalitwa Rubasire twaba promisingaga purely service delivery. So omuntu wena atwaira kaduru akakatwa on the basis of service delivery. So ekinkugamba kiri nti me have an upper hand ngungenda kuservinga the same council with him as a female youth councillor Masindi municipality. So ekingamba kiri nti nkunkuba nyina copy nkukagambire ngine copy ya manifesto. Ebitwabarahize byona ebitwabaraganize byona mbina and I have them at even bwire bunu kutaligamba ngugonze nkebere manifesto. Nyowe ekinja gamba kiri to keep an eye kusigara ntuhaburangana kusigara ninkuijukiza nti twabere kichweka kalebe we promised this and this and ko kamanyire service delivery is a chain. Mayor cannot work in takusokora wewenka. You will need an attachment of the councillors, the technocrats oja kwesanga na her district. So nyowe kingamba kiri nti nkutubene creating a rapport mu rugendo rwetu okusera akaruru nkusaba tusigale hamuramwa go creating a more and more nuko tusobole ko zikoraki kuikya yobuhereza alabantu ko service delivery is purely a chain takusokora wenko omuntu nyowe nka kansala we minye tagenda kuba on the same platform na iwe nkunihizangu nja kuikara ninkuijukiza ninkubanja nja kuruga no mukwijukiza nkyole mu kubanja where necessary habwo kuba nkunkagambire anything negative it will come back to me as a political assistant regardless of being a female youth councillor. Nkunka kugambire success abantu niyo benda abayingi but when it's negative bakikuleka mu wenka. So I'm sure obora kore birungi byona as per your manifesto abagenda kubyatachi ngo bali bayingi but ekibi kimukiti it will come back to me as a political assistant. So nyowendo ho kukuijukiza butosa bulikiro habo kuba kimayeka nso tugiye kusavinga mulema turolengu tutwiro orugendo twatandikire orugendo nduguturwa in 5 years not ingwabo kuba hati tumazireko
so nitumalira ngira nabatulirize bakwehabuzo mu musajja how did I go along nine umanyira abakazi kampabuze kine kiri person ntumalira abwaka bakazi abatito abagufu kandi bali batito babaza mu
actually it's nature nti Ruhanga every advantage about a disadvantage. So na Ruhanga we in his creation nyowe mkumutekereze yange tasobora kuhabyona kanta so kwimabyona so akarora omubiro gutito yaguteka musolu ekso gwihayo in a way that arakunyoma by the virtue of your size aja kwa respect by the virtue of eke kikurugamu oketegereza. So obokuba oja kwesanga muntu mukoto muraira ekimurugamu nikikumara amani. So Ruhanga takora nsobi amkonkushuwa Ruhanga takora nsobi was it necessary for it?
Nyewe kacharite kugansi
kazi utito gufu
kandi mbalize munju katuruka ololera kimu ali ninyo kyonka mba munju nimbazo kusaga atali ninyo omuntu oba mutito kikwangulira kubaza ate nkokula kikundemerera kikundemerera mabere kabinakira tikiro era kyensigaize kubaza nikyo nyina kubaza. So
mwebale munoka nikwenda abasima mwebale abwa kuraninga campaign eri peaceful abwa team mulindwa ngondeze abasibensi naba bali hansi bakirole nte team yabaire pivoto mu kuraninga campaign yange ninywe kandi credit egenda mulinyo nabatayibanya batali hano okatukatandika abantu batito tukamalya tuli 2200 something including the agents n'abantu kandi mwebale kandi kwenda kubayijuka abantu bakatuteka mu bwesigwa tusigala murama tuhereza abantu mwebale mu
Kitara TV kwegesa kumanyisa.